Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the amazing science of our planet. Today's topic is environmental chemistry. Have you ever wondered how human actions and nature shape the environment? Or how chemicals in our surroundings affect everything from the air we breathe to the water we drink? Well, stick around because we're breaking it all down for you. Let's start with the basics. What is environmental chemistry? It's the study of chemicals in our environment, where they come from, how they behave, and what they do to living things. These chemicals come from two main sources: natural sources like volcanic eruptions, wildfires, or even the breakdown of plants; human-made sources like factories, car emissions, fertilizers, and, yes, plastic waste. Everything around us is made of chemicals, but when they interact with the environment in harmful ways, they can cause big problems. So, understanding these interactions is key to protecting our planet. Environmental chemistry focuses on four main areas: air, what happens when we release pollutants like carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. They can cause smog, acid rain, and even contribute to global warming. Water, ever seen a polluted river or beach? Chemicals like oil, pesticides, and plastics affect water quality, making it unsafe for humans and marine life. Soil, farming is essential for food, but overusing pesticides and fertilizers can degrade soil, affecting crops and the organisms living in it. Ecosystems. Imagine a forest full of life. Now imagine chemicals disrupting it, leading to the loss of plants and animals. That's how pollution harms biodiversity. So, what exactly is pollution? It's when harmful chemicals enter the environment. These chemicals come from industrial waste, factories releasing chemicals into the air and water; agricultural runoff, pesticides and fertilizers flowing into rivers; household chemicals, detergents, cleaning products, and waste; plastic waste, those single-use plastics that end up in oceans for hundreds of years. Here's the thing: pollution doesn't just harm nature, it harms us too. Air pollution causes asthma and lung diseases. Water pollution poisons fish and makes water unsafe to drink. Soil pollution reduces crop yields, affecting food supplies. And in the long term, pollution disrupts ecosystems, leading to fewer plants, animals, and resources for future generations. So, what exactly is pollution? It's when harmful chemicals enter the environment. These chemicals come from industrial waste, factories releasing chemicals into the air and water; agricultural runoff, pesticides and fertilizers flowing into rivers; household chemicals, detergents, cleaning products, and waste; plastic waste, those single-use plastics that end up in oceans for hundreds of years. Here's the thing: pollution doesn't just harm nature, it harms us too. Air pollution causes asthma and lung diseases. Water pollution poisons fish and makes water unsafe to drink. Soil pollution reduces crop yields, affecting food supplies. And in the long term, pollution disrupts ecosystems, leading to fewer plants, animals, and resources for future generations. But here's the good news: we can fight pollution. Scientists and engineers have developed some amazing solutions like preventing pollution, switching to cleaner fuels, using electric vehicles, and reducing waste at the source; cleaning up pollution, techniques like oil spill cleanup, waste recycling, and removing toxins from water and soil; recycling and waste management. Instead of throwing things away, recycle plastic, paper, and metals to give them a second life; sustainable farming practices, drip irrigation, crop rotation, and organic farming can all reduce pollution from agriculture. To keep our environment clean, we need to monitor and manage water and air quality. For water, scientists test for harmful chemicals like pesticides and heavy metals. Purification techniques like filtration and distillation remove harmful substances. Protecting water sources means reducing runoff from farms and stopping plastic waste from reaching rivers. For air quality, we can reduce emissions by switching to renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Planting trees and creating green spaces helps absorb carbon dioxide. Air filters in factories trap harmful particles before they're released into the atmosphere. Sustainable agriculture focuses on farming methods that are environmentally friendly, economically viable, and socially responsible. Key practices include reducing pesticides and synthetic fertilizers, minimizing chemical usage to prevent soil and water contamination, water conservation. Techniques like drip irrigation and rainwater harvesting ensure efficient water use. Crop rotation. This improves soil fertility and reduces pest outbreaks. Benefits of sustainable agriculture: reduced pollution, leading to healthier ecosystems. Improved biodiversity by creating a balanced environment for various species. Through sustainable practices, we can ensure food security while protecting our planet for future generations. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges we face. It's caused by greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane trapping heat, leading to rising temperatures, melting glaciers, and rising sea levels, more extreme weather events like hurricanes and droughts. To combat this, we need to use renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, improve energy efficiency in homes and industries, develop carbon capture technology to trap carbon dioxide before it enters the atmosphere. So, what can you do to help? Here are a few simple actions: reduce, reuse, and recycle, save water and energy at home, support eco friendly products and companies, get involved in local cleanups or tree planting events. Every small step makes a big difference. Together, we can protect our planet for future generations. Thank you for being part of the solution and taking action to create a more sustainable future.